In this video, we'll demonstrate how to adjust the screen size in OBS Studio. But before we dive into the details, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn more about changing screen size in OBS Studio, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is crucial to helping us create better content for you. Now let's get started. Have you ever needed to tweak the size of your OBS screen? I'll guide you through the process. First, there's the preview size. Simply move your cursor above a panel and it will change. Click and drag the panel to adjust the preview size. If that doesn't work, right-click on the preview, go to Preview Scaling, and select Scale to Window. Moving on, you may want to adjust the size of a source or image. Select the source, click and hold on a corner or side point, and drag to resize. By default, the source maintains its aspect ratio, but you can change this by holding Shift while dragging. Undoing changes is quick. Press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on a Mac. If you need to crop the screen size, drag a point while holding Alt. If adjustments seem impossible, right-click on the source, go to Transform, and select Reset Transform. For more precise adjustments, go to Transform and select Edit Transform. Here, you can fine-tune the source size, rotation, and crop pixel by pixel. Close when you're done. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to assisting you in the next video.